Everything you ever wanted to know about HVAC modern architecture makes use of convenient and practical principles, applications, and designs. It creates intelligent homes, buildings and infrastructure, meaning light and energy are conserved through carefully planned and wired furniture, electronics and equipment. One example of an intelligent building is a house that keeps room temperature stable by responding to external factors. When it gets hot in mid-afternoon, its air conditioning system cools the rooms automatically, and when it cools in the evening, the system raises the temperature appropriately. A modern home or office building is properly and economically heated, ventilated and air-conditioned. It is able to create its own climate for the comfort of its inhabitants. This kind of convenience and brilliance in design is brought about by the systematic conceptualization and implementation of HVAC, heating, ventilation, and air conditioning principles. When constructing a house, make sure you have an HVAC contractor review the blueprint. Bringing him in early in the construction phase allows him to implement his suggestions from the beginning, which can translate to large savings in terms of heating, ventilation and air conditioning costs. An HVAC contractor hired after the house is finished is limited by the building's structure. Adjustments in the HVAC system can cost a lot of money, but they are necessary, especially when restoring old museum buildings that house artifacts and art pieces. Controlling temperature is important in the preservation of paintings, sculptures and manuscripts. For best results, hire a special team of HVAC contractors with expertise in the area of art conservation. When choosing HVAC contractors, always consider those with proper certifications. They may be a little more expensive to hire, but you are assured of quality and efficient HVAC systems in the end. When it is comfort and convenience in the long term that is involved, you will need to invest at the start. But the rewards will quickly catch up with you in terms of lower energy and repair bills. HVAC, http://www.hvacweb.com, provides detailed information on HVAC, HVAC training, HVAC jobs, HVAC contractors and more. HVAC is affiliated with Home Insulations, http://www.iinsulation.com. Article source, https://ezinearticles.com/expert/max_bellamy/44495